Okay, we're just outside room 2007. This is at the Melia in Trinidad in Cuba. It's the first time out to Trinidad. There's a couple of resorts here, but this is a brand new resort and looks pretty nice. I figure we'll just take a look around the room here. We've got a swim out suite. So as you first come in, you can see on the left-hand side here, there's coat racks, some storage up above there, ironing board. You got a couple places to put your suitcases. Not a lot of storage, a couple of drawers here down below. Beach towels, excellent. And just some open shelves here. And some comforters, I guess, in case it gets too cold, which is unlikely. Okay, and off to the right here is the washroom area. And here's a separate little section for the toilet. It's a good size, stocked with a couple of rolls of toilet paper. Looks quite functional. And here we've got the main sink, lots of towels, which is good. Good size mirror, sink, lots of soap. Looks pretty good. A good size walk-in shower. Get the standard rain head shower up there, regular washing one to get the sand off you. So good size shower here. And it's a little bit sort of see-through to the room, but it's frosted over, so that's a neat effect. And also you can just close this door here. It's a bit of fairly heavy, but it does slide well. And just to close off the washroom there for more privacy. Over here, it doesn't do anything. Some more storage space. This is more for kind of food. We got some nice big bottle of water. This thing slides out here, and I'm not sure what this is for. Perhaps wine bottles, I'm not sure. The fridge actually stocked, which is pretty unusual. Some Coke and some beers, which is good. Probably get refreshed every day. Oh, that's the safe down there. There was a microwave for a minute, but nope, that's a safe. Usually put your wallet and passport, extra money in there. TV, which may come in handy this week. The Euros are on. What else we got here? Yeah, so we've got the night table with some more space there. You can see they've got a USB, also universal plug there. So you can plug it's 220 volts, but you can plug your 110 adapters in there without any trouble as well. Same on the other side, a USB with power outlet as well. So this is nice. A lot of rooms in Cuba, you won't get the power outlets on both sides. This is a pretty nice layout, really, for the room. Here we've got a little sitting area, which is nice. Table and a little spot here to have coffee or snacks in the morning, perhaps. And out here, now this is what we did the upgrade for. I forget how much that was now. It was not that cheap, actually, to get the swim out, but I've never done the swim out in Cuba. It's not that many places have it, but when we were at Keo Cruise last time at the Iberostar Coral, they had the swim out there, and I was kind of wishing that I had booked that instead of the rooftop. So we got the swim out here. So you can see there's a little patio here with fake grass and 2 lawn chairs, nice umbrella in case it gets too sunny. And you can see the pool here. Looks very nice and clean. Well maintained. This is a brand new resort. I think it's only been opened like this year. You can see one of the resort cats there. So you can see there's the rooms off on the left there and off on the right. So we've got, I guess, what we would call the ocean front, although in the dark it's kind of hard to see the ocean. Anyway, so that's the room. It looks really good. Looking forward to get my bathing suit on and cooling off in the water.